This new AI website is an all-in-one creative powerhouse. It's known for its face swapping, text-to-video, and image enhancement tools, all designed to help you create studio-quality content without writing a single prompt. The platform is called Remaker, and it lets you swap faces in photos and videos, change your pose, create professional product images, and enhance image quality, all in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Remaker AI step by step. Let's dive in. I'm AW, and you're watching AW Technologies. First, click the link in the description, or simply search Remaker.ai in your browser. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see a full suite of free AI photo editing tools: Image Upscaler, Background Remover, Magic Eraser, AI Photo Editor, and more. You can also convert text or images into videos, generate anime-style art, create realistic AI headshots. Everything is built into one platform. When you sign up for the first time, you automatically receive 30 free credits, which is enough to start testing all the major tools. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find all the AI photo and video options: face swap, multi-face swap, video face swap, and more. Let's start with face swap. On the face swap page, you can swap faces on both photos and videos. Under the photo section, you'll see three options: single face swap, multi-face swap, batch face swap, perfect when you're working with multiple images at once. Now let's upload our images and try it out. First, upload your original photo. Next, upload your target photo. In this case, we'll use an image of Elon Musk. Our goal is simple: replace the face in the original image with Elon's face. Once both images are uploaded, select the V2 model. It processes faster and usually gives great results, although it can be a bit unstable at times. If anything glitches, just switch to the V1 model, which is more consistent. After processing, you'll see the face has been successfully swapped, and the result looks surprisingly realistic. If the final image isn't sharp enough, you can fix that instantly using the Upscale feature to enhance the quality. Now, let's move on to video and GIF face swapping. The process works almost the same way. Start by uploading your video clip. For this example, I'm using a short interview clip of Elon Musk. Next, upload the face image you want to swap onto the person in the video. For the highest quality results, select the Face HD Swap option. Click it to start generating your face swapped video. Once the processing is done, you can preview the final output, and as you'll see, it looks incredibly realistic and smooth. Here's the after result. And here's how the video looked before the face swap. The difference is obvious. The AI blends the new face seamlessly into the video, maintaining expressions, lighting, and motion. And just like that, your video face swap is complete. Now let's head back to the main page. This time, we're going to explore the Nano Banana photo editing feature. So what makes Nano Banana editing so special in Remaker AI? The best part is that you don't need to write any prompts at all. The tool comes with a huge library of ready-made templates you can apply instantly for almost any type of photo edit. You also get powerful options like pose control, auto beauty enhancement, and the beauty auto enhancer, all built in and easy to use. Let's start with one of the most popular templates, the AI Polaroid photo effect. For this template, you can upload either one or two images. We'll upload two photos that we want to merge into a classic Polaroid style picture. In just a few seconds, the AI generates a stunning result. As you can see, the final image looks clean, aesthetic, and beautifully vintage. Now, let's try another powerful template, the pose control feature. This option allows you to change your pose while keeping your face and all your natural features exactly the same. Start by uploading your photo. Then, choose one of the available pose styles. If you want to match a very specific posture, you can even upload a reference pose image. But for this demo, we'll use one of the built-in presets and generate it. And just like that, the image is completely transformed. The AI updates the pose while perfectly preserving the model's face, details, and overall natural look. Let's move on and try another powerful feature, the product photo editing template. This tool is especially useful for marketing, advertising, and e-commerce content. Start by uploading your model photo, and then upload the product image you want to showcase. In this example, we're using a photo of a perfume. Once both images are uploaded, the AI automatically blends them into a single, realistic scene. The final result looks natural, professional, and convincing, almost as if the model was actually posing with the product. This feature makes creating high-quality promotional or e-commerce images incredibly quick and effortless. Remaker AI also includes powerful AI video features such as image-to-video, text-to-video, and consistent character video generation. And that wraps up our full walkthrough of Remaker AI. We explored its face-swapping tools, video face-swapping, and the all-new Nano Banana photo editing features, plus several other creative tools built into the platform. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest AI updates.